Non-host resistance. Non-host resistance is the most common form of disease resistance exhibited by plants against the majority of potentially pathogenic microorganisms. It includes plant innate immunity, which is present inside the plant, species resistance, durable resistance. It is also a very common form of disease resistance, a basal defense, and it is a broad spectrum resistance. If we define what is known host pathogen, a pathogen that cannot cause disease on a known host plant is referred to as known host pathogen. Defense response include a hypersensitive response in which localized cell death at the site of infection and increased expression of defense-related gene, that is PR genes, pathogenesis-related genes, and the oxidative burst. For example, barley is susceptible against Puccinia hordeae, whereas wheat is not susceptible. Wheat is known host for the same pathogen, as well as simultaneously wheat is a host for Puccinia tritici, whereas barley is known host for the same pathogen. Plant defense response. It is further divided into two types. First is natural, and another one is acquired. Natural include barriers such as structural and biochemical, in which acquired further divided into two types. Plant defense response is divided into two types. First is natural and another one is acquired. Natural include barriers such as structural and biochemical. Structure includes wax, cuticles, and natural openings like stomata and lenticels. Biochemicals include phenols, tannins, etc. In acquired, it is further divided into two types: local and systemic. Local include hypersensitive response in which cell program death due to presence of reactive oxygen species. Systemic is also further divided into two types: systemic acquired resistance, which is induced by the hormone salicylic acid, as well, and another is induced systemic resistance, which is governed by jasmonic acid and ethylene, according to Agrios 2005. Source is Agrios 2005. Plant basal defense response. Based on the recognition of pathogen-associated molecule, that is PAMPs, induce MAP kinase, that is mitogen-associated protein kinase signaling cascade, transcriptional activation of defense-related gene, oxidative burst, and associated with rapid deposition of callus, a physical barrier at the site of infection. There are two forms of innate immunity present in the plant. First is pattern-triggered immunity and another one is effector-triggered immunity. Pattern-triggered immunity is primarily governed by pattern recognition receptor, that is PRR, that are activated. PRR are present on the plant surface that are activated by the recognition of evolutionary conserved pathogen or microbial associated molecular pattern, that is PAMPs or MAMPs. Activation of this PRR, that is pattern recognition receptor, leads to intracellular signaling, transcriptional reprogramming, and biosynthesis of a complex output response that limits colonization. The system is known as PAM-triggered immunity. Another one is effector-triggered immunity. It is activated by the presence of pathogen effectors. The ETI response is reliant on R genes, that is resistance genes. ETI is typically activated by the presence of a specific pathogen, that is effectors, and then triggers strong antimicrobial responses. Responses activated by PTI and ETI receptors include ion channel gating, oxidative burst, or protein kinase cascade that directly activate cellular changes such as gene expression that then add preformed or passive defense mechanism, inducible plant defense mechanism, plant defense signaling, and broad spectrum disease resistance gene. Defense mechanism is further divided into pre-existing and post-infectional. Pre-existing defense mechanism occurs when pathogen attack is not occurred in the plant. It includes structural and biochemical. It is pre-existing, like in plants, it is already present, like wax. The structural include like wax, thick cuticle, sclerenchymal cells, structure of natural openings like lenticels and stomata, in which biochemical include phenolics, tannins, chitinase. Post-infectional disease defense mechanism occurs after bacteria affect the plant. It also includes two types, structural and biochemical. Structural includes formation of cork layer, formation of abscission layer, and formation of tylosis. Biochemical include phytoalexins and hypersensitive response. Though hypersensitive response is an structural type defense mechanism because there is a necrotic spot occur, but due to the in hypersensitive response there are many biochemical changes also occurs. That's why it come under the biochemical defense mechanism. Pre-existing structural defense include wax. Like wax is hydrophobic, which is water repellent, prevent spore germination. For example, Plumeria graminis, Forma species hordi on cabbage. Cuticle and epidermal cells provide thick cuticle surface and tough outer wall of epidermal cells increase the resistance. Lenticels are suberite cells show resistance. Pre-existing biochemical defense. Antimicrobial compound pre-existing in plants are phenolic compounds like saponin, unsaturated lactones, and cyanogenic glycosides. Secondary metabolites. These are all secondary metabolites which are not necessary for plant growth, but they are required for strengthening their structure. The root infecting fungus like Gomenomyces graminis variety triticei is a weak pathogen and is unable to infect oat. It produces the root-specific evanescin, a class of triterpene saponin, which is a phenolic compound. Post-infectional biochemical defense. Phytoalexins. There are two terms here. The first one is phytoalexins and another is phytoanticipants. Phytoalexins are the antimicrobial compound which are produced in appreciable amount only after the pathogen infect the plant. Whereas phytoanticipants are also antimicrobial compound which are produced even pathogen attack or not attack the plant. For example, of phytoalexins are camelexin, which are produced by Arabidopsis against Alternaria brassicola. Hypersensitive response, localized induced cell that in host plant at the site of infection by pathogen. Here, the right hand side showing the external symptom of hypersensitive response, as well as here in the left hand side, the diagram showing the internal symptoms of hypersensitive response. Plant defense signaling. Several plant signaling components are involved during the induction of plant defense. The plant hormone ethylene is an important signaling component during plant pathogen interaction. Ethylene perception is often required for basal resistance against pathogen, and it can also induce disease resistance in plants. In ethylene insensitive tobacco has been shown to lack non-host resistance against several soil-borne fungi. Salicylic acid is one of the key signaling molecules that activate plant defense responses against invading pathogen. For example, Arabidopsis is a model plant in which mutant due to mutation defective in an enzyme that synthesizes salicylic acid, and Arabidopsis, a NAGI gene present which express salicylate hydroxylase that can degrade salicylic acid, due to which the fungus Euromyces vigni can easily attack the Arabidopsis plant. Broad spectrum disease resistance. In Arabidopsis, non-host resistant gene, that is NHO1, was identified. NHO1 encodes a glycerol kinase which is required for resistance against both Botrytis cinerea and Pseudomonas syringae, isolated from bean or tobacco, for which Arabidopsis is a non-host plant. So here only single gene, that is NHO1, in Arabidopsis, only single gene, that is NHO1, which is responsible for disease resistance against two pathogens. That's why it is also known as broad spectrum disease resistance gene. There are types of non-host resistance include type 1 and type 2. In type 1 does not produce visible symptoms, and type 2 rapid localized necrotic hypersensitive response. In type 1, in which non-adopted pathogen fails to overcome preformed and general elicitor-induced plant defense. In type 2, non-adopted pathogen overcome preformed and general elicitor-induced plant defense by producing detoxifying enzymes. In type 1 failed to overcome cell wall thickening, phytoalexin production, accumulation of secondary metabolite. In type 2, specific pathogen elicitors are recognized by the plant surveillance system and trigger plant defense, leading to hypersensitive response. Here is the diagram showing both the type of known host resistance. The left diagram showing type 1 and the right hand side diagram showing the type 2. In type 1 there is no production of hypersensitive response, so there is no cell death programming occur, whereas in type 2 hypersensitive responses occur and the cell death is occur. Example for type 1 known host resistance are pathogen Pseudomonas syringae pathovar fasciculocola strain NPS 3121 known host for Arabidopsis. Pathogen Pseudomonas syringae pathovar fasciculocola strain S2 for Nicotiana tabacum is a known host. For Puccinia graminis forma species tritici NZ known host is oat. For Phytophthora infestan strain 88069 for which tobacco is a known host. Example for type 2 known host resistance is Plumeria graminis F. forma species tritici strain BGTA95 for which barley is known host plant and hypersensitive reaction occurs. Pseudomonas syringae pathovar glycinia PG41253 known host plant is Nicotiana tabacum. In this hypersensitive response is also occur. Third one is Pseudomonas syringae pathovar PC ATCC 11055 Nicotiana tabacum in which hypersensitive reaction also occur. Another is Xanthomonas citri strain 2310 non-host plant cotton in which hypersensitive reaction occur. Now next is molecular basis of known host resistance. It is a dynamic process involve organelle movement, secretion process, membrane changes. Pre-hostile resistance controlled by 3 genes, that is penetration 1, penetration 2 and penetration 3, involved in biosynthetic and secretion process. PAN1 encodes syntaxin. This gene is involved in timely deposition of papillae during non-host interaction. PAN2 peroxisome-based pathway encodes glycosyl hydrolases. In PAN3, membrane-localized ABC transporter protein. Post-hostile resistance is dependent on genes. PAD4 means phytoalexin deficient 4 involved in formation of phytoalexins, example camelexin. EDS1 lipase-like protein and shown to be important for non-host resistance. SGT1 suppress of the G2 allele of S-phase kinase associated protein. This SGT1 has been known for the production of ROS and hypersensitive reaction, cell death against non-host pathogen. SAG101 inhibit the anti-regulator protein of RG. Elicitors. Molecule released during microbial entry into plants which act as a chemical clues for plant active defense response. It is again of two types, specific elicitors and non-specific elicitors. Specific elicitors include HRP gene products, AVR gene products and elicitins. Non-specific elicitors include PAMs, phytotoxin, extracellular microbial enzymes, peptic enzyme, proteases, glycoproteins, proteins and peptides. Selected pathogen-associated molecular patterns and their plant defense-inducing activities. PAM, first is flagellin, which is present in gram-negative bacteria, due to which induction of defense response in tomato and Arabidopsis. Another one is harpin, HRPZ, gram-negative bacteria, Pseudomonas erwinia, hypersensitive reaction like cell death, induction of defense response in various plants, systemic acquired resistance to microbial infection. Another is chitin, which is present in all fungi, induction of defense response in tomato and Arabidopsis. Now, the complex sensory signaling and executive mechanism constitute the basis for plant non-host resistance to pathogen. Here, the pathogen attached to the plant surface and due to PAMs, that is pathogen-associated molecular patterns, it provides signal inside the plant. The PR are present on the plant cell which perceive the signal and start signal transduction through the mitogen-associated protein kinase cascade, nitric oxide, salicylic acid, chesmonic acid, and ethylene, which induce defenses like transcriptional activation of defense-related gene, phytoalexin production, polarized secretion, and hypersensitive response like cell death. Preformed chemical barriers include phytoanticipants, and preformed physical barriers include cuticle cell wall. Conclusion: Non-host is a multigenic and more durable trait which involves a continuum of layered defense processes include basic incompatibility, structural and chemical strengthening of CW post-hostile hypersensitive response, and induction of several defense-related genes. Interfamily transfer of gene is possible and is long sought goal for breeder